In the quiet of a snowy dawn, she walks where cold winds glow. Her steps fall soft on silver ground, a light upon the snow. Oh, Lady of the Winterlight, shining through the frost-filled night, guide our hearts with gentle grace